All right, here is another one that was high on the list. It's a little bit on the lower side, but it still made the cut. Um, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is very AI generated. It just looks off. As someone who works in the production, the development portion of marketing, styling, I don't know. There's just a look aesthetic that just kind of just throws it off. But if you are the nail tech that actually did this design, definitely comment down below and let me know if this is the design or it was like a mock-up and it was over another design. I don't know. It just looks off to me. But you guys have you guys made this design, very high in impressions as far as engagement, impressions, and saves on our Pinterest profile. So what would personal stylist Mikara Reid rate this? Um, I would rate this, I'm gonna say 2.5, 3. Like I'm on a borderline. Like I would wear it for like a couple of days and then I would want to take it off. I don't know. There's just something about it that just the colors for me is, I don't know. It's just not the colors that I wear on a daily basis. So I'm just thinking about my day to day, just being very practical and realistic. Now, if I was going on vacation, a quick vacation, someone called me up and said, "Hey, I got some free tickets." And we're going on a warm vacation and we're going to be recording some videos. Get your nails done, make sure everything's together. Yeah, I'll put this on and then when I come back, I'm taking it off. But to keep it on, like wear it the full 2 weeks before I get my nails done, I don't think I would wear this. I would wear this because, it's like a themed or something. I don't know. I'm not too crazy about it. I don't love it and I don't hate it. But you guys let me know if you are feeling this.